Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clean the Roborock Q Revo Curv main brush. So in order to do it, flip your robot over. Then when it's flipped over, you have these two buttons to open the main brush door. I'm gonna place it here for a moment. Then you can see that there are two main brushes, the left and the right one. So they are here, as you can see, and you should just clean them, remove any hair or other obstacles that may be here, then put them back in. And in order to put them back in, just make sure the color matches, so the red one goes into the red slot and the gray one goes into the gray one. And also you need to have in mind that you can see here, if you put it in inside out, put it the other way around like that, then it will be different than when you put it correctly. So in order to make sure you have put it in correctly, make sure that the R letter or the L letter are aligning with R and L letters on the robot. So here there is an R letter here, so when I put the brush inside, I need to make sure it aligns correctly. And now I can do it on the other side, like that. And now it is put in correctly. Then I can just close this door and it is done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.